Good morning, my name's Shamira and I'm a graduate at the Dublin office, so today you're going to follow along for a day in my life. I live not too far from the office, so once I've had some breakfast I usually start my day by walking. I work on the STAR team, which stands for Specialist Technology Analytics and Research, and I do computational fluid dynamics there, which just means I make computer simulations of how liquids and gases move, so hopefully I'll be able to show you some of that today. I'm going to go grab a quick cup of coffee and then I'm going to start writing some reports because I'm coming to the end of some projects. So I'm just sitting in a meeting room now. I'm about to give my presentation. It's for something called Digital Bites, which is where we get together every month and somebody in the office shares a cool digital tool that they've developed. So the one I made was for placing a large amount of trees in a model, and I made it using a tool called Grasshopper, and I'm really excited to share it with everybody. So I've just stepped into our tranquil room. I wanted to tell you about the project I was just working on. So as part of being a grad here in Arup, you take part in something called digital labs, and these are basically workshops you do across the years of your graduate program designed to help you develop. So there's ones to do with workflows, ones to do with coding stuff, and basically I'm helping to set those up this year. And I'm going to be helping to teach the coding one, so we just had a little meeting to talk about those and meet the other trainer that's going to be working with me. Some of my favourite views are of the Gasworks, Boland's Mill, the Viva, and my personal favourite, the Poolbeg Towers, which I can also see from my desk and I love looking at every day. So it's 5:30 and I'm just finishing up for the day. In a classic Dublin move, it is definitely raining, so I always make sure to bring an umbrella or a raincoat with me, and luckily it's only a short walk home for me. So I'm just home now and I've managed to stay relatively dry, so I'm going to make some dinner before I head to Camogie training. And while I'm waiting for it to cook, I'm going to start making an apple crumble. And this is for Arup tomorrow. Every floor in the Dublin office has a cake day. I work on the third floor and we do Cake Wednesday. So I'm going to use some nice apples that my aunt gave me from her garden and make an apple crumble. So it's 9:20 and I'm just home from training and I'm a lot drier than expected considering how much it was raining. Hope you enjoyed my day in the life. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I will show you everybody enjoying the apple crumble for Cake Wednesday, since it's such a nice way to meet everybody else on my floor and get to talk to some people that I might not usually get to talk to. But hope you enjoyed this.